Welcome back to the training. In the previous video, we have talked about how to create our Gmail account. So now we are moving forward to how we are going to create our account. So we are going to start from Amazon. We are going to start from Amazon. We are going to start from Amazon. So move forward to your browser. So go to your type Kindle, that is KDP. You can see .amazon.com, kdp.amazon.com. So when you load it, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. Sign in with your Amazon account. That is, if you have an account with them before. But if you don't have an account with them before, don't have an Amazon account, sign up. So we are going to click on sign up Amazon account. So when you click on sign up, sign up, so it said email or phone number. Remember, you have created an email account, so you just enter your email account, which is our work 2022 at our work at outlook.com. So that's all. So you create any password of your choice. Sorry, come here, click on create account. Your name. Remember, we are using Patricia. Love it. Patricia Love it. Then our email should be our work 2022 at outlook.com. Select any password of your choice. Enter the password. Then you click on, after you have filled all the necessary things you ought to fill, so then you click on create account. So you can click on save the password. Since it is your account, save the password. The OTP has been sent to the, so you come here, you can see we have received the OTP 754492 754492. Then you click on verify. So you can add any of your number to this one. You can add any of your number. I'm from Nigeria, so I switch to Nigeria. Where is it? Nigeria. Okay, this is Nigeria. Then you write your number. Okay. So put your number. I don't know my number often, so I'm looking for how to use. So you put your number. After you insert your number, then you click on add number. The phone number I've entered is not valid. Don't mind them. That's my phone number. Nigeria. expecting OTP. I've received the OTP now. So 5 1 5 1 4 2 9 5. So then you verify by creating your Amazon account. That is, the account is fully ready now. So scroll down the terms and conditions. Scroll down the terms and conditions. You can read it if you have your time. It's talking about your royalty, how you are going to be paid, the book and everything you are allowed to post. So you can see this is how your account will look like. This is how your account will look like. So they said your account information is incomplete. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to complete your account. I'm going to be showing you how you are going to complete your account in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.